So the next binder that we have is this one from Vault X. And so personally, I've heard a lot of good things about Vault X, which is why I'm really excited to review this binder here. But we've got the 9-card version, which is going to hold up to 360 cards. But Vault X, they also have a 12 pocket version, which is going to hold even more cards. They do come in a variety of different colors. And right now I do have the zippered version. So if we go ahead and open it up, that is a really nice feeling zipper, I must admit. And this is what it looks like. So we have the actual card sleeves on the inside, similar to here. And likewise, it's side loaders, okay? So you do have side loaders right over here. So they go in pretty easily, I must admit. So side loaders, even with penny sleeves, this is what it looks like. You're inserting the cards. So 360 cards it can fit in here. It is a zippered binder. I do wish that with these binders there was like a pocket here to actually like attach a Elite Trainer box guide, for example. But even so, this is a really neat binder, I must admit, and it is going to protect your cards fairly well. I mean, actually I might say extremely well. So this is the first zippered binder that I actually got, and so with it you can see this is what the front looks like. This is what the side looks like. This is what the back looks like. And so this is what the zipper looks like. But I must say I can see why people tend to actually talk about this binder quite a bit. I mean, it feels nice compared to the other binders. It feels high quality. It feels sturdy. Inserting your cards is really easy, right? Even with penny sleeves. And with that, 360 cards, which is pretty similar to the other binders that we reviewed as far as how many cards this can hold. So just keep in mind, whichever collection that you are pursuing, make sure that there's no more than 360 cards. But even so, what a fantastic binder though, I must admit. But let's go ahead and move on to the next one.